Larvae in some lagoons, we have billions of larvae in some lagoons, like Takarua, Takapoto, Ahemanhi. They are very small, tiny lagoons, so we can have a lot of shells in these lagoons. So in one collector like that, we can have 200 one-year-old shells. So it's very efficient, and for more than 30 years now, we cannot dive and pick up the shells on the coral anymore. If we want shell, we have to buy the shells from this professional doing that job, spat collection. So all the shells in the farm come from spat collection. Problem is that our problem, it's not always the problem for all the farms, but our problem is that we buy the shell when they are 1 year old. So 1 year old, they have this size, small like that. Okay? So we bring them with the collectors and with boat, and here we catch them from the collector. We put on a rope like that,